So there it is. That's my Gremlin. Been running this truck since 2014. This is the 6th version of it. So right here you can see the winch controller and the 9.5 Ti from RC 4-wheel drive, and there's my winch controller. Yeah, I'm running it wireless. Right here, that motor is a 3300 kV 6-pole from Dynamite, mounted to the RC 4-wheel drive AX2 transmission. This servo right here is just a generic one I've got to run it. That jumble of mess, and I'm sorry guys, that is a Castle Sidewinder 3. That is the Castle Waterproof 2.0 BEC, and my SR410 receiver for my radio. Crazy stuff down in there. I don't know who makes this stinger. I bought it off at eBay or Amazon a while back. No clue. The tires here are RC 4-wheel drive Mickey Thompson Baja Claw TTCs 2.2 cheap axial beadlocks. Underneath, this is actually a, what was it? Integy Y-link for the Dingo. This kit was the Dingo before there was the deadbolt. So that's the Y-link from it. These are the kit's lower links. These are all RC 4-wheel drive links. RC 4-wheel drive Punisher drive shafts here. Lots of orange Vanquish and titanium steering links underneath there and there. I guess you can't see that one very well. I have no lighting on this whatsoever, mostly because I keep ripping it out every time I take it out and have fun with it. Yeah, it's an EXI D226 servo. This servo, come on, focus. Focus. Alright, well, I'll write the specs to these in the description box. That's a Hi-Tec 100mm RC 4-wheel drive super lift shocks with boots. Yeah, that's pretty much it mechanically. Yeah, good times. Now comes the crazy. So this is a 1966 Proline Ford Bronco body, matching cage from Proline. I got the RPM blower in there. I don't know how well you can see. I do have the butterflies painted, and when it drives, I've got it sub-mounted so it actually vibrates and looks more realistic. Pretty much, you know, this is my pack of Camels in the dashboard. Razor Ramon's driving. I've got Kevin Nash going in to be a passenger. I just can't find him at the moment. The sand ladders that you've seen on here, I actually won at one of the Rude Boyz TTCs. I got a miniature RC in there and some tools, a crate and gas can down in there, some rope, dinner, Chicken Joe hanging from a rope. Come on, focus. Focus. So, and it is a full interior style. When I put the passenger in, I'm going to have to cut out right here so his feet will fit. So I could show you. Build him a footwell like I've already done. Need to build one on this side. Little tour. We've got Team Loose Nut. We've got Chris from Scaletown. Jared from Slytherin. The Calgary Penguin. Lyle, the man. Over here we've got some more repeats. But right here we've got Russ. Oh, come on. Okay. Right here it's hard to see. And over here there's two. Those are my decals from the TTCs that I still have. There's my buddy Mud Misfit. And the man, the myth, and the legend himself. Yeah, that's right. Awesome. If you look here on my radio, you can see a Rude Boys and another one from my buddy Russ. There's the other TTCs that I don't have on my rig. Yeah. Some old beat up gear, but the reason it's number 4 is because that's the best I've placed with it in those comps and USA. But I also have my Canadian friends covered. Anyhow guys, I hope you liked it. Crazy rig. Done me proud for many years now. Can't wait to get her finished out with the passenger, and I also need to get a 3D printed radio for my little RC in the back there. Thanks again. Have a good one, guys.